girl. Baby girl.
Hey honeys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, what's up? Make sure you're subscribed. You're gonna love it here. And if you are returning, what's up, boo? What you been up to? I hope you're doing well. Let's get into it. So in today's video, I have a little treat. Recently, Verano reached out to me. They know I'm a bag girly. I love a good piece. I love a good bag, you know, just like how I know, like how you know, so does Verano Hill. So they recently reached out to me and sent me 3 of their luxurious bags. I would also like to mention, before we even get into the unboxing, they got a little deal going on for y'all. They have a buy one, get one promo going on as we speak. So y'all need to go check that out. I will have it linked down below in my description. I'm not gonna hold you guys any longer. Let's get into it. I'm so excited because I was just sitting here like, dang girl, you know, to be honest, I need a new purse. I was like, oh, you know, I moved into my new place. I was like, I want to treat myself. And here they go. So I was like, oh girl, you need a bag, girl. I was like, oh girl, I need a bag actually. I would love that. So my 3 bags that I picked out the Joyce burgundy bag, VH embossed bag, and the Brittany shoulder bag in the shade brown. I don't know which one I'm grabbing. I'm just gonna pull it out. Ooh, clock it for the packaging though. Oh, I love they give the purses dust bag. I love that they give like each purse a dust bag. Dust bags are so important to me. So says Verano Hill on the front. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. Please, girl, don't be mad at me. Okay. I don't want to mess this up, so let me open this the right way. Okay. Give them their tins for packaging. Like, for real. What? Oh, she's nice. Oh, I love that they put protective. Yes, Verano, yes. So, before I get excited, this is the black VH embossed bag. I thought this was super cute. Love her. And I just need a good staple. And I like that the guts, I call it the guts. The guts are red. You know what I'm saying? Love that. Everything is wrapped securely. Gold fixtures. Really into that. Just gonna unbag. Like, they really wrap everything so beautifully, and that is so important. We're talking about purses, y'all. I'm sorry I'm ripping it off. I'm excited. We're talking about purses because it is important that every part is wrapped securely so nothing gets scratched or damaged in shipment and packaging. So put that out. They stuff this down. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up. Okay. So, hold on. We're almost there. And it also comes with an extra strap just in case if you don't want to carry it by its handles. It has it where you can carry it like a crossbody, and we love that option. Well, this is the crossbody option. Love that nice lengthy strap. And this is what she looks like. This is the VH embossed bag. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it has an extra section in the middle. Absolutely love that. And let me show you what it looks like. Okay. So this is the first one. This is the VH Verano Hill embossed bag. Love that one. Really needed a good, like, I call this like a tote. I think it's called a tote bag. So that was the first one. I'm not grabbing these in any order. Oh, now that I noticed they are labeled on the black back, so I appreciate that. This is the brown bag. I made sure I got each purse in a different color, different style, because you could just easily, like, you know, somebody just has nothing but black bags. I wanted a bag in different colors. I wanted versatility. So this is the brown one. Once again, great packaging. And I also bought it because I like the shape of it and the structure of it. It feels really sturdy. This feels like a really sturdy bag. Oh, yes, that's tea. Look at, ooh, what? That chocolate? Girl, we have business, girl. No. Okay, so, also, wait, is this 2 straps? You come with 2? Taking the guts out. So, I like to make note it has a section in the back, a section in the middle, and a section in the front. What, girl? That's like 3 compartments. Yes, love that. And I feel like these are two different lengths, which if they gave me 2 different lengths, like that's so clutch. Or if they just gave me 2 different straps, this is most definitely 2 different lengths. I'm into that. What? I'm into that. So, just in case you like your bag with the shorter straps like I do, kind of like that, you know. It says Ron Hill on the front. It's gold. Chocolate and gold is such a good combination. That's what this one looks like. And like I mentioned before, also supplied me with an extra strap just in case. I love that they give you options. So like just in case you want to leave it or not even wear it over your shoulder, you can wear it as a crossbody. They give that for both of their bags. This is the other chocolate band to go with it, the extra long one. And that's the shorter one. But it's beautiful, beautiful chocolate color. Love that. Can't wait to wear that. It's beautiful. And I'm gonna be honest, I was so amped for the Joyce Burgundy bag. So this is the last one. This is the Joyce Burgundy bag. Oh, almost dropped my box cutter. So amped for this one. Just that burgundy color, like, ugh. So rich. Just like the chocolate, so rich. And it was the texture of it too. Clarky, she did not disappoint. Look at the texture. I like the style, the weaving style of it. This was a smaller one because I'm also a girl. I like options and I like to wear my bag smaller sometimes. Oh my God, y'all, look. Do y'all see that? That's like an elastic type thing for extra security. Like, oh my God. Yes. What does it look like on the inside? Let me see. Okay, so what it looks like on the inside. A cute, nice, small bag. Oh my God, the chain is my favorite. And it also has a little, what is it? Little compartment in the back. I'm so excited I can't get my words together. And the chain was my favorite part. Oh my God, because like, what? What? And this is, oh my God, y'all, wait, so look. So I'm gonna attach it to this, first of all. This bag is so cheap. This was literally, I love all of them. This was the one I was most excited for, if I can be 100% honest with you. Okay, so boom, right? Super cute, love this. This is the chain part, look, and this is the mechanism, like, look. Oh, I love that, that's so classy. So like, and a little longer, you press this little button and just like it, look at the gold, like, that's so classy. Like, I love that. And that's why I wanted the bag. And it just kind of like hangs like that, and I don't care because I kind of like that. And if you don't like it, take this in and stuff it in the purse. Do what you gotta do. So yes, this is the Joyce Burgundy bag. This was the piece that really just spoke to me. Like, look at that, you know what I'm saying? Like, are you looking? Can you see it? Look at that. But yes, I just want to say Thank you to Verano Hill for reaching out to me. I love all the bags, you guys. Like I said, don't forget to shop their buy one get one promotion. They have a sale going on right now. You're not gonna want to miss this. Go shop Verano Hill. Anyway, oh, excuse me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Connect with me on socials will be linked down below. Also, I will have the link for the sale linked down below in my description bar, along with each bag that I was sent. All the details on that will be linked down below in the description bar. I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Even if I said that already, I really do hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in the next. Have a blessed day.